Hi, Matt Ferrero here, inventor of Grilly. Have a new recipe today. It's chicken, butternut squash, peas, and garlic. And this is my wife's idea. We're going to try this right now. And we've prepared all our foods, our ingredients. We have the chicken cut up. We've already put a little bit of sage, pepper, and salt on there. We've got our peas. These are frozen peas. And this is butternut squash cut up into small 1/4 inch by 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch slices, and very thin slices of garlic. And these will all go into the grilly, and then we'll show you what it looks like in a moment. So here are 3 grillies filled with chicken, peas, butternut squash, and garlic slices. And we'll put them on the grill, and in about 15 minutes I'll bring them back off the grill and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Okay folks, the chicken, butternut squash, peas, and garlic finished product here. Grilly time approximately 15 minutes, and it produces roughly 5 pounds worth of food. We could have done more. I probably could have added another 2 pounds worth of chicken, butternut squash, and peas. But of course, you can use this in any way you want to. You can create whatever proportions you'd like. Add more butternut squash, add more peas, add more garlic. Anyway, this is a finished product. The grilled chicken, butternut squash, peas, and garlic. Enjoy. Bon appetit.